So now let's create an example design by utilizing the things that we learned in Canva. So for that, I'm going to go into the section where it says design anything, where I can search for a template related to learn right over here. And the templates related to learn actually comes up, as you can see right over here. So let's say I want to use this template right over here. So I'm just going to click on this and a new template will open up just like this. So I want to utilize the same background picture. I just want to change the text right over here. So I'm going to go around over here and type in only on Udemy. So I'm just going to type in only on Udemy right over here. And then I want to replace these texts right over here by saying learn. And over here in now, I'm going to say Canva right over here, just like this. I can resize this out over here as well. So I'm just going to resize this out a bit so that I can see all of the text right over here. Let me just delete this out. I accidentally added it in. I'm just going to drag this out just like that to change the outlook of it as well. I can go around here and change the font as I want to. So let's say I want to have it a bit of a fun type of a vibe to it. So I'm going to use this font right over here. Let me resize this out as well. And then let's say I want to change the color out as well. So I'm going to change out the color right over here and change it to something like, let's say, not blue, but maybe a bright color over here, just like this. So I just want to keep it white. So I don't like any color for this one right over here, just like that. So now I can go over here and then change this out. So over here, I'm just going to go around onto this text and change the color out for this text. So let me just choose yellow for this one. So it looks like this. So I'm going to keep this out here onto the side, just like that. So you can see that I can change around as per what I like. And then I can add in some graphics over here as well. So I'm going to go on to the elements, and then let's say I want to see some shapes right here. So let's say I want to use something as a border right over here. So I'm going to go around. So let's say I want to use this as a border. So I'm just going to drag this around over here and then keep it around. So I'm just going to resize this out right over here to create a sort of a border just like this, as you can see. And then I'm going to just click out on the side. So I'm going to send this backward as well. I'm going to choose white as the color for this. You can see that there's the border over there. And then I'm just going to send this out to the back. So I'm going to send backward right over here, just like that. Send backward right over here, just like this. Send backward so that I can access the Udemy right over here. So learn only on Udemy graphics. So I'm just going to drag it over here. So once I'm happy with the graphics, I can export this out. So I can download this out as a JPG file or something, or I can create a sharing link. So I'm just going to create a share link right here. And as now this is the graphics, I can go over here onto the link and then paste this out, and you'll be able to see that link is there. And that is how you create a project by using Canva, by the things that we learned throughout the lesson.